Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome to the channel. My name is GT, and today I'm meeting up with a special guest for today's video because I'm gonna be painting his truck. That's right. So yeah, I'm getting things ready to for my next project, painting somebody's truck, and the only person I could think of was V8 Nation, of course. Let me tell you guys how I met him real quick. Just how I met him real quick. A few years back, before I even uploaded to YouTube, just bored at home, bored of watching funny videos, fails, or anything like that. And I searched someone locally, and I found his channel, and I liked the way he was working on his trucks, just swapping out parts, building his truck, his dream truck, and it took a couple of years, but he fixed it the way he likes it. And right now the only thing missing is paint. So as I watched his channel grow, or him build his truck, one night I contacted him. Back then HIDs were very popular, so I told him, hey, I got a free set of HIDs. If you want them, I'll meet up with you and I'll just hand them over and you can keep them. And yeah, we met up, and I showed up in my Chevy Silverado. It's a crew cab with a step side bed. I painted it myself also, very custom, very unique. I love my truck also. So I show up, and he sees my truck and he likes it, and he's like, hey, can I record you? You like just tell me a few things you've done to your truck. All right. I was so nervous, and but still, I walked around the truck and I told him a few things. I painted it, I lifted it, I swapped out the wheels, the tires, I did this, I did that, or whatever. But after that, I helped him install the HIDs, and then from there we just swapped contact information and we parted ways. So a few days later, I kept on thinking some of the stuff that I forgot to mention about my truck. And from there, that's where my first YouTube video was born. And people watched it. I gained a few subs, a few likes, a few comments. I liked it, and now here I am, helping people, helping Angel, the same guy that inspired me to create a video for YouTube. Here I am helping him get his truck painted. My channel grew more than I could ever imagine, and I'm barely at these 30k subs, but I have so much hope for the channel to grow even more, that I want to continue doing these type of jobs for for friends and family. And they're always free of charge, no labor. I don't charge any labor at all. So we're getting close right here. Let me go ahead and give him a call, see where he's at, and yeah, we'll go from there.
One of the people from Rio.
Right
Here.
Vlogging on each other's cameras. All right, guys. So right here, Angel.
What's up, guys?
Yeah. So this is run 2, take 2. All right, guys. I'm right here with Angel, the man. So yeah, I'm gonna give him a paint job. He already brought his truck. It's right here. Check it out, guys. A single cab GMC Sierra with it has a Denali front and a quad steer bed right here. Single cab. This guy has made so much work. Has put so much work into his truck. It started off with a V6 straight bed, the regular front end, and here he is now. So yeah, he came to me. I actually contacted him myself about a paint job, and I had contacted my buddy Jeff from Auto Paint HQ. You guys have seen a lot of work in the channel, a lot of paint videos, and Auto Paint HQ provides that, just a lot of paints. He has base coat clears, satin paints. He has the black crystal collection. He has the amethyst, the ruby, the emeralds. They have a bunch of beautiful colors. There's also the ultra coarse metallic sunrise collection. There's a bunch of There's a bunch of materials like paint products at their website. I'll leave their link in the description so you guys can check them out. You know, just helping supporting people that support the channel. So yeah, I have the kit right here. Let me go ahead and flip the camera. I'll show you guys what Jeff sent in. My buddy right here, Angel, in his truck. So you can tell this guy's excited. So let me just flip the camera real quick, show you guys the materials that we're working with, and yeah, we got 2 boxes of materials right here, all coming from Auto Paint HQ. So over here in this box, the first one, we have this is the Super Fill primer. This is the high build primer in black. This is a 2K. So we have the primer and the hardener over here. And then we have a gallon of the primer sealer, also in black. This is the Auto Bond. Also 2K, we have the hardener over there. They also sent in some mixing cups, and I'm sure the mixing sticks are in there as well. And the technical data sheet. These are for, you know, the paint instructions. Over here on this second box, we have what is the paint. The base coat. This is the black crystal diamond base coat. I have a quart of the same color over there, so right now I'll open it and show you guys. There's a color. Some of you guys already know which one I'm talking about. Right here I have, this is the reducer for the base coat. So the base coat reduces a 1-to-1, so it's 1 part base coat, 1 part reducer. So everything mixed all together, you have 2 gallons of sprayable paint. And over here we have the Auto Bond. This is the Glamour Clear 4-to-1. So this one mixes 4 parts clear, 1 part activator. And again, we got some mixing cups, mixing sticks, some strainers right here. So here it is, guys. All the material that's gonna go in to, you know, the truck over there belongs to that guy right there. All right, and one more thing, I also contacted one of my buddies from the channel, one of my viewers, 3 Wheels in a Block. You guys give him a huge thanks, huge shout out. Contacted him, just let him know I was excited about, you know, this right here, being able to paint one of my buddy's vehicles. So he was excited as well, and he sent some products in. So huge thanks to Erwin from 3 Wheels in a Block. Check it out. He sent some, this is some tape with the drop cloth, a roll of adhesive sandpaper, some air jets right here, some assortments of sanding discs for the palm sander, pack of sandpaper also in a variety of grids, and some 3M refinishing tape, some really good tape. So thank you so much, Erwin. You know, gonna use this here around the shop for some of the paint videos, or, you know, just work around the shop. So here's the truck. Just give it a quick look, quick walk around. The bed is plastic, so there's nothing really going on right there. Everything's pretty good. Right here, the cab, everything's all primer. Everything looks pretty good as well. We're gonna get rid of like the door handles, the mirrors, the windows, all the trim around it. I'm probably gonna get rid of just remove the bed. That way I can paint behind the bed and behind the cab. Over here in the front, we've got just a regular front, the Denali front over here. He's gonna bring me the bumper later on, but we're gonna take these headlights off, fix some of the imperfections here, get it ready, and then we'll throw the filler, sealer, paints, and all that stuff. So here's this truck, beautiful truck. This is my boy Angel right there. So you guys give him a follow, V8 Nation. Long time ago, this guy had his channel. V6 Nation. So he grew into the V8. Yeah, we've come a long way. We've come a long way.
Kid trying to have fun. Yeah, it's been a long journey.
Yeah.
It's crazy.
Yeah, we've known each other for a couple of years now. Maybe like 3 years, give or take.
Yeah.
Here we are, bro. Here we are. So yeah, huge thanks to Erwin for the supplies, and huge thanks to Jeffrey Dollins from Auto Paint HQ. Thank you so much for this opportunity. Right
You're
here,
my
Angel.
hero, man. I have nothing but love for you now.
We're all really excited. You guys as the viewers are excited, I hope. And I know his viewers are excited. If you guys are coming from V8's channel, drop a like, drop a comment.
There's a couple of you in there.
Yeah.
Like Mr. Amado over there.
Amado, Manuel. So yeah, drop a comment, hashtag V8 Nation, and let me know you guys are coming from his channel. Show some support to this guy, to his truck, to his build. And we're going to be here, echándole ganas. So for now, that's going to be it for this video. Appreciate all you guys watching. I hope to see you guys on my next one. We're going to get ready to, work on this truck. And that's going to be it, guys. I'll see you guys on my next video. Thanks for watching. Peace out. Good. Yeah, it is, bro. There it is.
Sometimes I like to film like that also, like, when you zoom out and stuff.
Yeah.
It makes stuff look cooler.
Awesome. Awesome.
You know what I mean, right?
Yeah, I have the...
That thing, yeah.